Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about your exercise question number 6.2, exercise 6.2 question number 5. Find the first and the 8 common multiple of 2 and 6. Okay, this is your question number 5. So firstly what we are going to do is we are going to write all the multiples of 2 till 10. So we have written here the multiples of 2, 4, 6, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. So here we have written our multiples till 50 of 2. Okay, so you can say 2 11s are 22, 2 12s are 24, 2 13 the 24, 2 13 the 26, 2 14 the 28, 2 15 the 30, 2 16 the 32, 2 17 the 34, 2 18 the 36, 2 19 the 38, 2 20 the 40, 2 21 the 42, 2 22 the 44, 2 23 the 46, 2 24 the 48, 2 25 the 50. Don't think that your table ends at 10. You can extend your table as much as you can. Multiples of 6, so then we have written the multiples of 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Now we have to find out the first common multiple of 2 and 6. First common multiple of 2 and 6 is, first common thing here we can see is 6. So we have written 6. Then afterwards we have to find the 8th common multiple. So for 8th common multiple we have to find out the other common multiples also. So then we have got 12, we have got 18, we have got 24, then we have got 30, 36, 42, and the 8th one is 48. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8th one is 48, so we have written 48 here. So 8th common multiple is equals to 48. Now find the first and the third common multiple of 3, 6 and 8. Again we are going to write the multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60, 63, 66, 69, 72. So we have written till 21, 22, 23, 24. 3 multiplied by 24 till that. 3 24s is 72. Till that we are writing the multiples. Multiples of 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72. Again 6 multiplied by 12 is 72. Then we have written the multiples of 8, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Now here 24 is the first multiple, 48 is the second common multiple, and 72 is the third common multiple. So we are going to write like this. Okay, so then we are able to find out the first and third common multiple. Like this you can extend the table and you can find out the answers. Okay, now let us come to question number 7. Two buses start their journey from Delhi to Jaipur. Both the buses move at the same speed. Bus 1 stopped at 5th stop, while bus 2 stops at every 6th stop. So write the number of bus stops for both the buses if the bus route has 40 steps. 40 stops. So bus 1, you can say he said that it is actually stopping at 5th bus stop. So now we have to write the multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 40th stop. This is 5th stop, this is 10th stop, this is 15th stop, this is 20th stop, this is 25th stop, 30th stop, 35th stop, 40 stops. Beta, here you have to be considered here every stop it is not stopping. Okay, there are many stops, but we have to write only the numbers it is stopping at 5th stop. So that's why we are writing the tables of 5. Now second bus is stopping at 6 stops, so we have to write the multiples of 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Like this you are going to write. Then afterwards what you have to, he said that what will be the first stop. Okay, so first question is what is the write the number of bus stops for both the buses if the bus route has 40 stops. So I have written all the bus stops, which is the first common bus stop for both the buses. So first common bus stop for both the buses is 30th stop, right? First common. Now the second question is which is the second common bus stop for both the buses. So second bus stop is bus 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. First one 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So 60 second one. So 60 till 60 we have written. So here 60 is the second common bus stop. Okay. So this is it. This is the question number exercise 7.2. Today I am going to give you the worksheet also. We are going to do the worksheet number 12. So here we are going to discuss the worksheet number 12 also. Let us discuss. Now find the length of the rope which can be cut into whole number of pieces. Length 5 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 10 centimeter. Please remember this thing, that you have to write this is the statement question. You have to write the statement here. Least length you have to find, so it means that you have to find out it is related to minimum, and when a minimum word is written, please remember that you have to find the LCM only. So here 5, 10, 15 is written. So for 5, 10, 15 you are going to find out the LCM. Firstly you are going to make the statement here. Length of first piece 5 centimeter, length of second piece 15 centimeter, length of third piece 10 centimeter. Like this you are going to make the statement, and then you have to find out the LCM also. So here find the least common multiple means she is saying that simply you have to find out the LCM here. LCM of 2, 6 and 8. Find the least number of stones here, so that heaps of 7, 14, 21 stones can be made. So here you have to find out the least number of stones. Least number of stone again. So again you have to find out the LCM. So first heap is 7. Then second number of group is 14, and third one is 21. Again here also you have to make the statement. 14 you can find out the LCM also. Find the least number of which is exactly divisible by 12, one of the numbers 12, 16 and 24. The number that will be exactly divisible by 12, 16 and 24. So that's why we are going to find the least common number you have to find again. So again you have to find the LCM here. Now this one is true false question. LCM of 22 and 23 is 1. So we have to put true or false. Then state true false the LCM of lowest common factor of the number. Lowest common factor of the number is, the LCM is the lowest common factor. Is this the full form of LCM? So you have to write true or false. Then choose the correct option. First multiple of number is 1, 0, 10 number itself. That's what you have to write. Now tick, you have to tick only. You just have to tick here, and simply you have to tick here. Choose the correct option. 6, 12, 18 LCM. You just do it in the rough and you can tick it here. And all this here also you have to find the LCM of 2, 3, 4. And here you have to find out the smallest number. Again least common multiple of 9, 12 and 15. That's it. That's what you have to do in this worksheet. 10 questions I have given it to you. You have to complete it by tomorrow. Bye bye students. Have a good day.